Overlanding, or four-wheel drive touring, is self-reliant overland travel to remote destinations where the journey is the principal goal. Overlanding is a term that can sometimes spark confusion, but simply put, it's a recreational activity that combines driving into remote terrain with some form of camping. So, today's more of a rant, I guess you would say, than anything. I wasn't really sure what I was going to talk about today, and then I was goofing around on the internet and seen a bunch of stuff and arguments about overlanding. Who's overlanding? Who's not overlanding? You're car camping, you're van life, you're this, that, and another. Ultimately, does it matter? I mean, the manufacturers out there are the only ones that really have made the term overlanding what it is. Like, you're not an overlander if you don't have this. Or to be considered taken seriously as an overlander, you got to do this, or have this, or this, that, and another. And that's just not the case. There's literally an overland tax. I'm not kidding. You can look up something that's deemed overlanding, and then look up that same something that's, I don't know, in another genre, but it's the same thing, and it's a different price. There's an overland tax. When I had my Cadillac, we used to say it was a Cadillac tax, a luxury tax, or whatever you want to call it. And it's ridiculous. No piece of gear on your rig makes you an overlander. It doesn't. That's foolish. It doesn't make you or take you away from being an overlander. I've read several definitions on the word overlanding, and every one of them are different. So, are you an overlander? Are you a car camper? Or are you just an explorer? Or whatever other terms there are for overlanding? I guess that's up to you. But whatever you decide to be or call yourself, that's fine. Don't let anybody else tell you different. Don't make anybody else pressure you into buying something or living a certain way to fit their narrative. Overlanding, car camping, exploring, Jeep life, all these are just terms that pretty much, even including van life, theirs is a little different. They don't really go where we go, but we can go where they go. So it's kind of intertwines there too. I mean, they're all the same thing. If you get down to the roots of it, you're all exploring. You're all out to see the country, or whatever country you're in. You're out to see things that the average person don't go out and see. You're out to find things the average person don't go out to find. You're out to have that alone time, or whatever your journey is taking you on is what you're out doing. So don't let terms put you in a category or make you feel a certain way or keep you away from certain people. Overlanding's just a word. Car camping is just a word. I mean, there's no real big difference. I mean, like I said, when you break down the actual definition, what you're doing, it's pretty much the same. So I get tired of people getting in comments and trying to rag on folks because they're out here having a good time and they're posting their footage and they use the wrong term in their description and people ragging on them for it, and it's stupid. It's childish. It's immature. You know, there's no need in it, guys. There's just no dang need in it. You're ragging on somebody for going out and having a good time and enjoying themselves because they're not in your definition of overlanding or whatever. And it's stupid. It's just plain stupid. Y'all need to do better. Don't go ragging on folks from the other side of this now. Don't go ragging on folks if they use your wrong term or what you consider something different. Let them have a good time. Don't try to correct them for every little thing. Just because it's not your version of overlanding doesn't mean it's not theirs. And there's no real difference in the end of the day. I mean, it's stupid to argue about it and fight about it. So that's just my rant of the day, guys. I'm sorry, you know, if this wasn't, you know, educational or whatever. You know, the reason is you watch my shenanigans on YouTube, but it's just aggravating to see people lashing out at other people because they don't fit their definition. And I'm sure y'all tired of me doing air quotes there, but it's foolish, guys. So that's all my rant today. I hope I can provide y'all with something a little better for tomorrow. Well, tomorrow's actual video for this weekend, but it was just something that just annoyed me this morning, and I figured I would talk about it. So thank y'all for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button, and until next time, guys, Semper Fi and God bless.